You might have heard this one before: clench your fist, that's the size of your brain. Sometimes teachers say 2 fists, sometimes 3 fists. But is that really true? The average adult brain weighs about 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms and has a volume of roughly 1,200 to 1,400 cubic centimeters. By comparison, a clenched fist is only about 350 to 400 cubic centimeters. That means 2 fists are too small, while 3 fists come much closer, though still a little under for most adults. This is why many experts prefer to say the brain is about the size of a small melon or a large grapefruit, a comparison that's both simple and more accurate. The fist method is a teaching shortcut. For children, 2 fists feel about right, since kids' brains are smaller. For adults, 3 fists are closer. But really, the brain is not shaped like fists at all. It's just a quick classroom trick to help people imagine its size. And here's something even more surprising: your brain doesn't stay the same size forever. Starting in your 30s or 40s, it begins to shrink very slowly, especially in areas associated with memory, such as the cortex and hippocampus. Don't worry, it's a normal part of aging, not a sudden collapse, just a gentle change over time. So the next time you hear the 2 fists or 3 fists rule, remember, it's just a shortcut. The real brain is closer to a melon in size, and much more complex than any fist could show.